Welcome back to another tutorial for the StarMaker application. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your location or your region within this app. So let's get started right away. Open up the StarMaker application on your device and log into your account. After this, you will be taken into the home page. Now, when you first sign up for your account, the application will check your email address or your Google account and then choose whichever country or region it is associated with. If you want to change this, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are inside the settings page, scroll down and go into the general settings. Tap on general settings and now you will find your country or region. Tap on the country or region that has been selected and this will now show you the list of available countries. Go ahead and choose whichever country or region you are from. Once you tap on it, you will be asked whether you are sure that you would like to switch your region to this country. In order to confirm, tap on the Yes button. And now your country or region has been switched right away. From your settings page, you can also go into Edit Profile to edit your hometown as well as your ethnicity. If you wish to change your country or region in the future, you can once again follow the same steps and switch into whichever region you wish. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch or change your country or region on the StarMaker app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.